We have a KitchenAid refrigerator here, Whirlpool made unit. As you can see, no lights. So we have no lights in the freezer or the serving drawer. Fridge is totally blank. Customer stated that the fridge was icing up and was not cooling properly. So first things first, I want to open this and take a look. Now, a lot of times that little board can throw off the entire unit. In fact, it will affect the lights as well. So it comes out pretty straightforward. Use a putty knife, get around it slowly, and just pry it up. Don't force anything, work your way around it. There are two tabs really that you can squeeze, and then if you want to go to the back and just kind of scoot it out, pretty straightforward. Sometimes those wires will be totally corroded and not even connected, so be mindful of that. Some moisture there. So we're going to unplug the large connector after we wipe out the moisture or water, and then of course we're going to spray the interior with WD-40. It takes a second, and you'll see the light come on in a second. There it is. So we now have lights. Oh yeah. Fan is working. So we're going to leave this unplugged for now. We'll have to order a new one. I was explaining to the customer about the moisture and also the fan. Everything seems to be running at the moment, except for that deli drawer. It is not doing anything. And I noticed when you plug it back in, the compressor would pretty much kick into low speed. Yes, ma'am. If not, I have. That's fine, I have. The lights are staying on now. Yes.
Oh, nice.
It's quiet. I heard the compressor turned off.
The compressor is working?
Yeah, but turned off. I'm
Oh,
going to
no.
disconnect this.
Maybe that's...
Yep, turn back on. You heard it?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, so board is bad.
Oh, you're the professional, you know.
Oh yeah. All right, so we're gonna leave this covered up, and so we'll have to order a board for that.
Just...
Yeah, you can take these out now. Thank you.
It's okay, you can... I just rip it.
Oh,
sorry.
well, I'll keep this. Sometimes I need an extra piece.
Yeah.
Thank you. It wouldn't be the same if I didn't use some WD-40. So I wanted to double check just to make sure that there wasn't any corrosion on that board that maybe we could fix. In this case though, it was already too badly gone. It wasn't able to be brought back. So we'll have to order the deli board and get that installed. So I went ahead and took it out from the housing as well, and you can see it's pretty coated. Now go ahead and spray a little bit of WD-40 inside there, And for added protection, you can also use a thin coat of silicone around the trim, and that will protect the board from getting any moisture. And with the WD-40 sprayed on the inside, you should never have a problem at all with corrosion or anything like that. So we're pretty much putting it back together and going to be sealing it up and waiting for a replacement board. So pretty straightforward. This will take care of your lighting issue. You'll probably see you probably already seen the first part of the video where the lights were out and it can affect your lighting. So unplug it, and also the compressor. So tuck it away and button it up, get that board ordered, and you should be good to go. Thanks for watching.